In this video, I will show you how to add text in Davinci Resolve 18.5. To add text to your video, go to Effects. In the Effects toolbox, go to Titles. In Titles, drag a text title and drop it above your video. Now adjust the length of your text. Now to edit text, go to Inspector. Click on Inspector, and here you can edit your text. You can change the font, style, color, and size of your text here. If you want to move your text, use position X and position Y. There are many options which you can use to edit your text. Besides the basic text, in the Effect Title section, there are many animated text you can use in your video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching.